Have you ever tried to open the Android or data folder using ZArchiver, but suddenly got the message, access denied? It used to work just fine, right? Well, starting from Android 11 and above, Google added new file access restrictions. That's why most apps can't access those folders anymore, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ZArchiver access denied easily. Using Shizuku, no root needed, and it works perfectly, so make sure to watch until the end, because you don't want to miss any of the steps. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first let's install the Shizuku app. Once it's installed, open the app and tap the pairing menu. You'll see a message saying, the pairing process needs you to interact with a notification from Shizuku. Please allow Shizuku to post notifications. Tap Notification option, then turn on Shizuku notifications. After that, tap Back now. The next step is to enable developer options on your phone. To do that, go to Settings, then scroll down and open About Phone. Tap Software Information, and then tap Build number 7 times. Until you see developer options have been enabled. Nice. Now developer options are active. Go back. Open developer options, tap the search icon on the top right and type developer. Select developer options, then enable USB debugging and wireless debugging. When the pop-up appears, tap Allow, tap again on wireless debugging, then choose Pair Device with Pairing Code. Now, enter that code inside the Shizuku app. Swipe down your notification bar. Find the Shizuku notification, tap it, input the code, then tap Send. You'll see a message that says Shizuku is now connected to your device. Next, open Shizuku again, go back to the main screen, and tap Start. Wait for a few seconds, and if it looks like this, it means Shizuku is now running properly on your phone. After that, choose Authorized Applications and enable ZArchiver. Alright, now let's move on to ZArchiver. Open the app, try to access any folder. If you see access denied or can't open this folder, go to the Settings menu, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, choose Settings, then tap Root. Under Root Access Type, select Shizuku. Also, make sure to enable this option, so you can access data and OBB folders as well, and there you go. Now you can access all your Android data, including app data and OBB files, directly from ZArchiver without any errors. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you fix ZArchiver access denied using Shizuku safely and without root. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.